Hey Matt, what can you tell us about this bike?
Hey Kent. All right, so today we've got a super clean, pristine 2003 Honda VT600 CD. This was the 600cc, the VT600 was the Shadow line. This one was the deluxe version of that bike. This one has been sitting in the garage for a while. It's only got 563 miles on it. So 23 years old now, almost like it came off the showroom floor. The person that owned it rode it obviously for a little bit when it was new, parked it, never rode it again. So it just came into the shop, we went through it. Carb rebuild, brand new tires, some fork seals, oil change, and it's ready to go. It's a 52-degree V-twin, liquid cooled, so funky V angle, single carb with a 3-valve cylinder head. So 2 intakes, 1 exhaust. So they had a bunch of weird stuff. This one only has a 4-speed transmission. They still say the top speed's about 93 miles per hour. Puts out about 40 horsepower, 430-pound weight, super low seat height. I mean, this is just if you want a cruiser, entry-level, medium-sized bike, this one was great. Reliable as anything, easy to ride, easy to handle. It's got nice factory bags on there. It's got the engine guards, crash guards up here, and then a little aftermarket windshield. Nothing fancy, no adjustable suspension, none of that stuff, just cruise around town. It's a good little bike. I mean, you really don't see them this clean, obviously. I mean, 500 miles is nothing. It's pretty crazy.
This one looks like it came off the showroom.
Yeah. Nobody's modified it, chopped stuff up, done any exhaust, anything. So it's now here for sale, but just a cool little cruiser.
All right, well, Matt, thank you very much.
Thanks, Ken.